How to insert a tick mark in a PDF with Adobe Acrobat. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a tick mark in a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat. To insert a tick mark in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat's Fill and Sign feature, you will need to follow these steps. First of all, open your Adobe Acrobat application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will need to open the PDF document which you would like to edit. Or you may also hover your cursor over this create button at the top left, and from the pop-up here select open files. Now select a PDF document from your device. After selecting document, you will reach this page. Now here you will be able to see different options at the left side. From the top, here select the e-sign tab. Once you click on it, now you will be presented with this Fill and Sign Yourself option. From here, you will need to locate the tick mark and simply click on this tick mark and then click on the area on the PDF where you would like to place this tick mark. Simply click on the place you would like to add. Simply click on the place and then you will see the tick mark has been applied. Now you can simply click and drag it to adjust the placement. Also, if you'd like to change the color and the size, you may also right click on it and then select the size. If you want to delete it, you can simply select this dustbin icon in order to delete. And instead of this tick mark, if you want to change it to the cross, you may also click on the three dots icon and then select cross mark option. From here, you'll also be able to select the initials option or the signature option. Now once you're satisfied with the placement, you can now add the appearance of your tick mark and save your document by going to the file, save or save as. And this method helps you to easily add tick mark for approvals or confirmations directly within your PDF document. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.